how's it going? BC Arts here with my first ever Photoshop tutorial. So today we'll be just creating a standard wallpaper. This was one of my favourite designs. So what you want is you want to have your two photos you want to use. So we got 1 and 2. And before we don't say anything, you may want to apply filters. So I have Topaz Labs. Studio 2 is the latest software, but I prefer the classic software. So you want to click Topaz Adjust 5 because that's my preferable filter to use. So here we go, just drag that there. So you have different presets there, and as you can see they give a different effect. Some very good, some not very good. It's up to your personal preference what you would like. So I click clarity, that's to achieve the desired effect that we're going for today. Press OK, and here we go. So it adds a bit more contrast. And you want to do the same for the other photo to keep it consistent. So there we go. We've got 2 filters. Now all you want to be able to do is go up to the left tab and press the quick selection tool and start selecting. You can press select subject, and it doesn't matter if the edges don't come out as crisp. That's when you post it into the design later. You can readjust your edges. So you just want to give a rough click around. And yeah, that looks good to me, so we'll just copy and paste that. Now that we have our images there, what you want to do is go in, touch up the edges. Now this is a very laborious process. It takes time as you do want to get all of the edges correct. Just deselect that layer so you're focusing on one. You just want to do it quick. Okay, now that that's done, we don't like that straight edge there. It just doesn't look very clean, so you want to, get a paintbrush. I like to download my ones that have an artistic feel. It's up to you for your preference. And what you just want to do is go over it, just erase it a bit, just to give it like it's been painted on that effect, how it's got different, it feels more, what's the word, it looks better rather than just having a straight edge like that. So what you simply just want to do is go through quickly to however you like it, and that's all you do. And then for the last part and the final part, all you want to do is you can either leave it full colour or you can do colour with black or white on a certain section. So you click the black and white tool. You have to do this for both layers. So right click the black and white layer, create clipping mask. That only selects it to the subject or the layer. And what you want to do basically is same principle as the retouching the image, is just go through done. So that's how you create one of the many player wallpaper designs that I will be showing. If you would like to ask any further questions, feel free to personally message me on Facebook at BC Art. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.